So picture this, I just lost my wallet and then it hits me like a ton of bricks. My CCW is in there. What do I do next? Stay tuned. So welcome back, and yes, as the title states, unfortunately, I did lose my CCW. Now, it wasn't taken from me, but I lost my wallet with everything in it, and the CCW was in there. To give you a little timeline, I lost my wallet April 6th, and it is April 28th. I got everything back, and today, I just picked up my CCW, and yes, I picked it up. It wasn't mailed to me. So why I'm doing this video is because originally, I made I got my CCW video. In this case, I lost my CCW. I hope each step and each process helps anybody out there that's going through the same thing I had to deal with, make it a lot easier and make it straight and to the point, because you don't want time wasted here. Remember, this is a time game. So let's get into it. First off, what you want to do is create a lost property report within the police department that you lost the CCW at. So if it was over state lines, if it was some other county, report it to that police department, and then you will get a number associated with that report. Now, that was really quick because it was all online. Everything is online. A lot of these police reports that you can make are online. You just got to know where to go and what to put. Now, second step, you're going to email the issuing county sheriff's office. In my case, VCSO, Ventura County Sheriff's Office. Not only did I send them the report number, but I actually asked for an appointment immediately, which I thought I was going to get. So now it's the 7th, it's the next day, and I actually get an email back stating that they went into an online application. The application can be found on the Permitium website for Ventura County. Went straight into it. This is something that's really important. You're going to need your paper CCW, so all the information that goes along with it, you need to add it into a request for a duplicate CCW. I literally filled it all out. I had to pay a $14.75 fee, I believe. And just like that, I sent it off. A lot of people always ask, how long does that take? How long does it take from the application to approval? So for me, it took 18 days until I got the approval email and also the request to set an appointment. In this case, it was all online. It was super easy. They gave me a link to click on, went into the website. So it gave me an open day for the 28th, which is today, Thursday. And I picked 10:40 a.m., went straight in there, put my best pimp gear on, walked right in, did what needed to be done, and I was surprised because they actually had me retake the photo. They had me wait there a little bit for the printing process, and they issued me my CCW permit, and finally I do have it with me. So that is the process in which you take when you need to retrieve, get back, get a duplicate of your CCW, considering that it could have been lost, destroyed, or even stolen, which is somewhat rampant, I guess. To be honest, for me, it's been a big eye-opener, and again, nothing beats experience. In this case, all the little steps and processes you have to make to get over certain places. Again, nothing is easy. It's not so much like my driver's license, which was delivered to me in the mail. In this case, I had to physically go in. So I hope this helped anybody out there who is wondering what to do if they lose their CCW, lost, stolen, whatever, and make it a lot easier for you, ease your mind in this process, because it was a little while until I heard anything back. I started getting worried, but came in right on the spot, took care of it, and I'm good to go. Thank you for watching. This is Mick with Fresh on the Range.